Welcome back. In this video 3, we are going to be talking about basic shape and the align tool. So you want to know how to use different shapes when it comes to t-shirt design. You want to know how to use different shapes. So to locate your shapes, you move over to your left hand side. You see after this black arrow, you see there's a shape box. You can see it's called the rounded rectangular tool. That's not the only tool. So to get the other tool, all you have to do is to press down your left mouse button, and so you can see now you have the rectangular tool, the rounded rectangular tool, the ellipse tool, the polygon tool, the line tool, and the custom shape. So for this, I'll start with the custom shape. So for the custom shape, if I click on it, you'll notice now I have all this extra. Let me go back and click on another shape. You can see I just have this, but I don't have the custom shape. But if I come back, left mouse click down, pressing on that, and click on custom, I have this extra box, so I can click on that. And you notice in Photoshop you have some extras coming, so I can just click on this and bring it into my layer. So now you see I have that. So for the other tools, I can just press on my left mouse click again, press it down. This is my rectangular tool, that's the 4 corner. So if I click on it, it gives me the 4 corner tool, as you can see. For this other one, the rounded rectangular tool, it has a rounded shape, not just a 90-degree shape. So if you click on it, you'll notice that's a rounded shape. For the ellipse tool, yes, for this ellipse tool, you want to do something different, because if you click on it, you see it does not have a regular shape. It just the way you move your mouse button, that's the way it's going to create a shape. So depending on how you want it, you might want it like this, which gives you not a real circle. But if you want a real circle and you click on that, you have to click on your shift key button and your left mouse click button and just drag. So it's going to give you a perfect circle, because now you are pressing down your shift button and your left mouse click button and dragging your mouse. It's going to give you a perfect circle, as you can see. So that's just the way it is. And now for the line tool, or for the polygon tool, it works same way. As you can see, that's the polygon tool. You might want to use this for your design in the future. You might not want to use this. So that's how the polygon tool works. The line tool is basically a line tool, so you can just drag. As you can see, this is the line tool. You can just decide to position it. If you notice, when I move it, you see I have this 90 degrees, 0.9, 0.5 coming up, as you can see. So that's just the line tool. We normally don't use the line tool. As you can see, when we start to design our t-shirts, we notice we might not use the line tool throughout. So basically that's how the line tool is. And now we want to talk about the align tool. To use the align tool, what we have to do is we have to remember what I told you in the last video, how to click on multiple layers together. As you can see, now I'm clicking on different layers but not together. So to align them, if you want to align them all together, all these shapes we've worked on, you want to align them straight in the middle. What you're going to do is to press on your control button. Remember I told you that in the beginning. Press on your control button, you click on shape 1, shape 2, layer, 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 layer. Then you just click on this last one, layer. So now when you've done that, you should be able to see, coming back to your circle, to your shape, this shape. When you come back to your shape, leaving this, because if you click on this, you won't be able to see the align tool. So you come back to your arrow, move tool, click on it. Then you'll be able to see these shapes. You see them differently arranged, so all of them mean different things. So if you click on them, you see it's moving them differently. So this is the one we'll be concerned about mostly. This is the center align. When you click on this horizontal align, horizontal center, it's going to move them all to the middle. As you can see, it's going to move them all to the middle. So that's the one we're going to be using majorly for this design. We're going to be using that majorly for this design. We're not going to be using these other ones. But you can see it's just like your normal document. When you click on this, it's going to position it to the middle. So that's just how that works. So In the next video, we're going to be talking about the pen tool and the type tool. So I'll see you in the next video.